Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to take you through the very first topic in grade 8 science, which is on mixtures, elements, and compounds. And we're going to start with our very first substrand, which is on the properties of matter. So we're going to start by discussing the various states of matter. We usually have three states of matter. We have solids, we have liquids, and we have gases. So you're going to start by discussing the various properties of solids. Solids, they usually have a fixed volume and shape, and this is due to how their particles are usually arranged. They are tightly packed. Solids, they have a high density and they cannot be compressed unless an external force is applied to them. Finally, solids do not flow. We are also going to talk about the properties of liquids. The particles in liquids, they are not as tightly packed as those ones for solids. Yet they have a fixed volume and shape. They usually take the shape of the container and they can be able to flow. So you can take an example of the tap water. If you open your tap, the water will flow. And water is an example of a liquid. And finally, liquids cannot be compressed. For the gases, I need to remember for the gases, they are opposite of the solids and liquids. Their particles are further apart and hence they have a fixed volume and shape. And again, particles in gases, they can flow. And finally, they can be compressed. Lastly, we are going to talk about diffusion in liquids. First, we need to state or define the term diffusion. Diffusion is the movement of particles from a highly concentrated region to a lowly concentrated region. Liquid particles can move and spread out, allowing diffusion to occur. And we are going to show this by using potassium permanganate and we place it in water. After a while, all the particles will have spread throughout the water and will change color to purple, as shown in this image. This shows that particles are always in motion. So if you learned something from this video, do kindly subscribe and share.